Hello, this is an instructional on how to upload your email signature picture into your email account. Now this is specifically for Google email users. We also have some designs that we could do for you on the Smart Realty Marketing Services website. So if you want us to help you with that, you can always go to your account, go to email signatures, select whether you want the picture or without a picture, select the designs, one design, and then just fill out the information that we'll need to create that design, any special request, and then once you click on next, you go to the next stage to complete the order. And we'll receive the information, we'll create the design, and then we'll send it to you to your email. So once you get it, the way to upload it into your email is to go to settings. Then you want to go to see all settings. You want to scroll down all the way to signatures, and if you don't have a signature already, you have to create a new signature. If you do have one signature already but you just want to change it to another one, you may see something something like this window, something like this, and then you want to create a new signature. And then you want to hit insert image. Now this takes you directly to your Google Drive account. So if you don't have the picture there, like I don't, you want to click on upload. You want to go to select a file from your device. I have it in download, so you search for the picture, you click on it, you click open, and this automatically uploads the picture in there. Now while it's here, you may actually, if you hit the up arrow on your keyboard, you could actually click enter, and then the up arrow in your keyboard, you could actually add a text here. For example, I like to add kind regards, which you could, if you click on that, you could change the font, just customize a little bit the text with all these options. And then for if on the picture, if you click on the picture, you actually have the options to change the size. You have small, which I think is definitely too small, medium, which I believe is also too small, and large, which is smaller than the original size, but I actually find it just right. And for me, I'm gonna leave it at that. And then you want to make sure that here that the defaults are set for signature 2, right? Because you have option number 1 or number 2. So for new emails, you want to select here the defaults and put in signature 2. So this is going to show. And for replies, well, I'm gonna put signature 2 as well. So you can actually create no forward or reply, no signature, right? So this is however you like it or you want it to be. You can customize that, and then once you are happy with everything, you're gonna click Save Changes, and then and that's basically it. So if we click Compose, as you can see, we get the picture and also the text that I wrote before. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful, and have a great day.